Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devans, and today I've come back with another interesting puzzle. And in this one, white has to play and mate black in two moves. It's a very interesting one. As white, you have two rooks, a pawn, and a queen, and you are supposed to use those four pieces to mate black in two moves. But I want you guys first try to solve it by yourselves, like as we do as usual. Try to solve it by yourself. Pause the video if you don't mind. Try to solve it and then come back when you've found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the two moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section what you found. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Okay, so let's try to solve it together for those that didn't find it. So if you thought about capturing the pawn on c7, do you get to mate black in the next move? So as you see, the rook on c8, the black rook is pinned by the rook on a8. So the only way is capturing using the king. So if the king captures back, do you get to mate in the next move? If you play c5, that's still not a mate. Black can still escape back to d8, and b6 is mate, but that's a mate in 3. Remember, we want a mate in 2, so that's not the move we are looking for. What about if you captured from the other side, e7? e7, same thing, the rook can't capture because it's pinned by the rook on h8, so the king captures back, and you try to mate from h4. Black still has escape routes, not even 1 but 3, so that's not a mate in 2. That's not the move we are looking for. Okay, what about capturing using the rooks? Okay, if black captured this rook, if maybe white captured this rook on e7, and you captured back because it's a must capture. You are in a check, black is in a check, sorry, and you captured this rook. Is that a mate? Black still has an escape route, so that's not a mate. That's not the move we are looking for. What about the other short side? If we captured this, black has to capture back because it's in a check. That's the only move it has to play. So it captures, and then you capture this rook. That's still not a mate. There's an escape route. So capturing using the pawn and the rooks don't actually solve the puzzle. That means the first move has to be a queen move. Definitely. Let's try out queen d5. Queen d5. Now queen d5 has two threats. Queen d5 can access this can access f5, which threatens a mate, right? And also protects this rook. So for example, actually queen d5, no, let's try to solve it, and we try to lead to where I'm talking about. So for example, if black reacted by capturing the pawn, this is a mate. Or if black captured using this pawn, then this is a mate. So black doesn't have to capture using the pawns. And if black reacted by capturing this rook, then capturing back is mate. Or if black captured this rook, then capturing this rook is mate, then he captures back and this is mate. Sorry, the other one was a check, then he captured back, then that's mate. But the problem is black will opt for that, and that's a mate in 3, right? Remember, we are looking for a mate in 2, so that's not also the solution for the puzzles. Though it was close, if it was a mate in 3 solution, that would be the correct solution. But it's a mate in 2, so we have to look for another solution. So let's look for a solution where we can access all those squares, the squares we needed. For example, this square, we can access, also we can protect this and also access this square. And the only square that can access all that is c3, right? Let's see. If we played queen c3, we access a5, we threaten here and also protect this rook. Do we get to mate black in the next move? And also we access this square f7 that threatens a mate in case he captures using that pawn, right? So I think that's a solution for the puzzle. Let's try to see if it leads us to the mate. If black captures here, this is mate. And if black captures using this pawn, then f6 is mate. And if black captures this rook on h8, that's mate. And if black captures using this, then actually this is mate. So whatever black does, that leads us to a mate in the next move. So the solution for the puzzle was actually queen c3. Please let us know if you found queen c3. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Until next puzzle, have a good day.